Alrighty, here comes 608. There it is. I don't know if you could see this, but look at that. Look at that moon. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous crescent moon. And gorgeous, gorgeous 608. How cool is this place, right? Look at this. It's like my heaven. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Craig and Pat. Yeah. This is the way to start the morning. Wow, look at them go through the snow. Yep. That was all snowy. They're the first ones to go through. Well, of course, they're the only ones to go through it. Yay. What a great day. You know what? Maybe I will go up to Palmer today. Roads look pretty good. I mean, what the heck, right? Yeah. See, okay, I probably, oh wow, look at how nice that looks. Okay, I'll see you guys up in Palmer.